Lorex provides innovation with its ultra-high quality security cameras. The LNE8974 from Lorex is part of the Nocturnal lineup, featuring matte black exterior coating and built from aero-space grade aluminum. The camera can be installed indoors or outdoors and both vertically and horizontally. Let's look at how to install on an exterior brick wall. Available from Lorex is a wall mount hood, which can house all of the wiring and is pre-drilled for all the mounting bolts. Model S1WA1G. It is available in black and gray. The first step is to remove the ball head and bowl from the mounting base on the camera. Using the supplied Torx wrench, loosen the set screw at the front of the camera. Remove the camera and align the camera mounting plate to the hood mount so that the holes line up. Insert the provided hex bolts and secure the camera mount onto the gray hood mount. Pull the camera cables through the hood mount hole. The camera will rest on the white polyethylene pads. Now reattach the camera to the bowl and put the cover back onto the camera ball head. Align the camera to the approximate desired angle. This can be fine-tuned once the camera is fully installed. Retighten the Torx set screw to secure the camera. We've drilled a hole in the exterior wall and run the supplied Ethernet cable. Insert 2 anchors into the wall and secure the hanging plate to the brick surface. Now connect the cabling to the camera and gently push the bundles of cables into the mount. Hook the camera onto the wall bracket and secure the set screw below with an Allen key provided. The LNE8974 delivers crisp, clean images in day and night. Infrared LEDs illuminate the entrance, and when an external light is turned on, the camera switches to color mode and provides a clear image. The 8974 allows the user to zoom into the frame. This provides a variety of viewing options, from a very close image to a wider image, depending upon your needs. The LNE8950 from Lorex provides professional quality images with a build quality that will deliver surveillance for many years.